Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to compile Raptoreum miner from a source code. Okay, but what does it mean? What is the process of software compilation and why we need it? Let's take a look at definition on Wikipedia. In computing, a compiler is a computer program that translates computer code written in one programming language into another language. The name compiler is primarily used for programs that translate source code from a high-level programming language to a lower-level language, such as assembly language, object code, or machine code, to create an executable program. In our particular case, it is a translation from source code into machine code. This means source code written by a programmer is translated into a machine code which can be understood and executed by your computer. This sounds interesting, but why would I want to compile a miner? It already comes with ready-to-use executables. Actually, there are a few reasons why would you want to compile a miner from source code. For example, unusual software and hardware combination. Let's say few years old version of unusual Linux distro installed on either Xeon CPU or Threadripper platform, and you are not sure which executable you should run in order to start mining Raptoreum. This will give you an executable optimized for your specific software and hardware. With this comes another reason, which is improved performance. In some edge cases, you may see up to 1 or even 2% higher hash rate. Okay then, so how do we do it? First, let's go to Raptoreum website, go to Downloads, CPU Miner. We are on Miner's GitHub page. We need to download source code package. It doesn't matter which one, both have the same contents. Now let's unpack it. Start here. CPU miner, let's open it. And let's take a look into instructions. Yes, display this file. Requirements. So we need at least Intel Core 2 CPU or AMD Steamroller CPU and 64-bit Linux operating system. For Debian-based systems, we need to install these packages, and for Fedora CentOS, we need to install these packages. So let's do it. Provide a password. Okay, I have this already installed, so I don't need to install this. Now download the source code. Okay, we already have it. Extract can be cloned. Okay. We need to build a CPU miner. Okay, Okay, then let's go into terminal and change directory to CPU miner. Change directory, CPU miner, and execute this build sh file. This will take a moment. It may take up to a few minutes, depending on your hardware and software. Once we are done, let's take a look at where do we have this file. It should be CPU miner without any extension, and here we have it. Let's move it to some more convenient location. Let's say miner test and paste it. In order to start mining with our compiled executable, we need to create a script file, sh file. So let's do it. CPU, no, not a folder. I need an empty file. CPU miner sh. Now we need to provide a line with configuration for our miner. I have one already been prepared. So let's paste it, and it goes like this. Here is a name of our executable, CPU miner, algorithm, ghost rider, pool address, user, Raptoreum wallet address, worker name. Okay, let's save it and run the miner. Change directory, documents, miner test. But before we launch our miner, we have to first make sh file executable. We have to go to its properties, permissions, allow executing file as a program. And now we can do sudo CPU miner .sh, enter. Okay, so miner is performing a full tune setup, which will take around 2 hours. Once miner finished doing in process, it automatically goes into mining. Now we can run benchmark to see what is our hash rate. To start a benchmark, we need to open our sh file, display, and at the end of the line, let's add double hyphen and benchmark. Ctrl S, Ctrl Q to quit, and run miner again. It will start benchmark process. Benchmark takes up to around 7 minutes. Okay, here we are. Benchmark is done. We have results. But first let's open this script again and remove benchmark part so we can come back to mining. Once we have results, let's take a look at estimated pool average. We have this. Now we can go to this mining calculator and enter our hash rate. Here we can see daily we will be doing 935 Raptoreum, which at current price is worth 1.2 US dollar, and monthly 28,510 Raptoreum. If you found this video useful, click a like and subscribe as more Raptoreum videos are coming. Have a good day.